see how he's dragged the handle. Club's way out there. Slice. Hook. Cure. So strength and how fast we can create speed is going to dictate how much strength we need. So, hey Mark, so we just finished up here with the Power and Speed Clinic with Cody and Brandon McLeod here. And what are kind of your first initial thoughts on at the end of the clinic?
Well, first, it's a fascinating clinic. To see somebody hit the ball like that was really incredible. What was really impactful was seeing that broken down into the realities of how that affects everyday golf swings. So at first it seemed very theoretical, like a bit of a circus show, because it's great to see someone hit 8 irons 200 yards. But when you break that down into something where you can see how differences in your own swing can make a transformative difference in how you hit the ball, is quite incredible. So it's a process to go through looking and admiring to kind of seeing what you can do yourself. But in the space of, what were we, 2.5 hours?
Yeah.
How I was striking the ball at the end of 2.5 hours was night and day with how I was when I played here yesterday.
So here's the target line right here. Here's the swing arc. What do you notice about the swing arc and the target line?
I always felt before that swing was about finishing out here, but really that feeling of the post and this right hip driving through to the post, I didn't have to think about anything. I hardly hit a bad shot, and I wasn't thinking about my hands, I wasn't thinking about impact, I wasn't thinking about hitting it thin.
Right.
And I was really stopped thinking about a left shot. Wasn't cared about a left shot. I didn't hit one left shot all day.
Which is kind of fun, isn't it?
And the moment I hit a bad shot, I didn't finish with a post.
Right.
And you get a little tired, you don't swing fully, and you hit a squirty one to the right or a little duck at left, and you just realize your body position's here.
Right. And were you surprised with how you could translate that little, we call it P8 drill, to immediately full swings on the driver, and it just kind of translated?
Actually, I was releasing the driver and not caring and really going to the post, and I didn't have a trackman on me. I think I hit it further than I've hit it for many years today, and beautiful tight draw, but I wasn't thinking anything down here.
Right.
Wasn't thinking anything down here. The only thought was there and really firing out there, and it's just amazing.
Sounds like you're free.
Yeah, for sure.
Awesome.
I would say it's a transformative day.
Good.
I've played golf for 25 years and I love it, but actually I've learned more in the last 2 hours than I have for a long time.